Fettuccine Alfredo. The guy who created this Alfredo is probably like turning in his grave right now. Like, oh no, this motherfucker just ruined my dish. Can I make Fettuccine Alfredo without pissing off some Italians? But first, let's get drunk.
Welcome to Drunk Dining, where we get drunk and cook food.
Hey guys, welcome back to Drunk Dining. So in today's episode, we're going to be making authentic fettuccine alfredo. And in order to do that, we actually need authentic ingredients. So what we're starting off with here is 00 flour, as well as Parmigiano Reggiano. And a good way to know if Parmigiano Reggiano is authentic is if you see Parmigiano Reggiano on the rind. This one's 24-month aged, but you don't have to use an aged one. And what we're going to do is we're just going to coarsely ground it on a cheese grater, because what we want it to do is we want it to melt into the sauce. Now, the difference between authentic Parmigiano Reggiano and the stuff you get in the little plastic bottle is night and day. Real Parmigiano Reggiano is nutty. It's very umami, as we like to say. And the longer it's aged, the more those flavors intensify.
All right, well, I'm excited about this episode. Sure, I act like I'm like this professional chef, but to be honest, I'm just this guy who got really drunk one day and decided to make a cooking show. It's definitely been a journey. Definitely just working hard. Okay, I haven't been working really hard, actually. I've just been watching a bunch of The Boys. It's just like the best show ever. I binge watched all of Cobra Kai. I'm just a nerd.
So now that we have that, we're going to make our pasta. And a general rule with pasta is for every 100 grams of flour, we're going to add 1 egg. And we just want a little hole where we could put our eggs in. And to be honest, I probably should have whisked the eggs before putting into the mound, because right now I'm having a little bit of trouble with that. 2 eggs, some flour, a little bit of olive oil, and salt. And you're just going to slowly incorporate more flour as you go, adding more and more flour until you get like a really nice pliable dough.
I'm so freaking hungover today. I'm just gonna drink away my problems, because that's what any healthy adult does, right? I hate shots. Why do I do shots?
What we want to do is we want to keep kneading it, and you're going to knead this for a long time, because what we really want to do is we want to get that gluten to start working. And in order to do that, you got to constantly stretch it, and that'll allow the elasticity of the pasta to form. So do this for like 7 minutes. Listen to like your favorite album. It's going to take more time than you think. So as soon as you kneaded it, longer if you really are on the uncertain side, you're going to wrap this in plastic wrap, and then just let the gluten just relax for a little bit.
Like, you ever get so drunk where you're like, I'm never drinking again? That's how I feel right now. That's how bad my hangover was today. It was one of those, like, you quit drinking for the rest of your life. Obviously, that's not the case.
And then once it's relaxed, you're going to take it out. You're going to cut it in half just to make it more malleable. Roll it out with a rolling pin. The general rule is you want to roll it as thin that you can read a newspaper behind it. At least that's what I heard. And it's not going to be perfectly rolled out, at least not for me. I'm not like a pasta master, so definitely cut off the ends that you don't need. Try to make it as perfect as you possibly can. And then you're going to fold it, and you're just going to cut it into little thin strands. Handmade pasta isn't meant to be perfect. You're just going to put it into little nests and get it ready.
As you get older, it's so funny because, like, hangovers are just debilitating. Like, when I was younger, I could get super wasted, like 16 drinks, go to sleep, and then wake up for work the next day and just be fine. No hangover, nothing. Now it's like, I don't want to get out of the fucking couch.
So now we're just gonna make our chicken, and we're just gonna butterfly it. We're gonna season this very minimal. Just do salt and pepper, nothing else. Italian cooking is very simple. You don't want to overcomplicate anything. It's just all about using fresh quality ingredients. Get it to a temperature of 165 and call it a day, you know?
I'm probably gonna go back to work on the 30th. I don't know how I feel. I'm like bittersweet. It's like, hey, I'm gonna have a solid source of income because the government isn't giving me money right now to make this dumbass show. Can only live on unemployment for so long. So, cheers, you guys.
So now, all we have to do is just cook our pasta. And since we're using fresh pasta, it actually cooks really fast. And since we're gonna be heating up a little bit more in the Alfredo sauce, we're actually just gonna cook this for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna pull it out, and we're gonna just save that pasta water. And that's about it. It's a couple simple tasks, but you just have to do them as best as you can. Now let's just see how Drunk Me does.
Just give me money so I don't have to go to work. I don't want to be a normal human being. I just want to get paid to get drunk and cook food, so.
Hooray!
Okay, well, all right, let's start cooking. Cool, so we got most of the stuff done. We do have our fresh pasta. To be honest, I think I did pretty good, but I could definitely learn a lot more. I hope I didn't piss off any Italians already. Please, give me some kind of like leeway, because I'm just a Filipino kid from Las Vegas. I need a beer, don't I? I need a drink. 3 shots is a lot. I used to do 5. Sorry, I don't do 5 anymore because at the end of the episode, I would black out and I don't remember anything. Nice, refreshing glass of beer. Somebody sponsor me, please. So we're gonna get this hot, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna emulsify butter into our pasta water. So this was the beautiful cloudy water that you get from cooking pasta. What's cool about this is it has a lot of starches and stuff, so. Whoa, whoa. Did not expect that. I think we're gonna do about a cup and then we'll slowly add more if we need to. So we're gonna take about half a stick of butter. I had to do a little research, and what I learned was Alfredo was created by some guy named Alfredo in Rome. And I guess the process of it is cooking in fat. I watched like a chef and he said like in burro, which means in fat. I don't know. The key to emulsifying is to constantly stir and let it get to temper. So you want it to be cloudy, almost opaque, and you gotta just be very careful. You don't wanna break the butter, and that's like honestly key. We have some fresh Parmesan, and we're just gonna add this to our sauce. We're gonna just do the whole thing. Cool, so we're slowly getting this emulsified. Just be patient with it. Emulsifying is like a process of just combining a water with an oil. The process is kind of difficult because obviously water and oil don't go together. Butter is the oil. We obviously added pasta water. And so we're using the Parmesan right here as an emulsifier to combine the 2 elements. As you can see, it's getting really creamy. And look at that, that's gorgeous. Get our pasta in there. Get her done, get her in there. Oh, I don't know what I was thinking with that one. Oh, fuck. Okay. Cut. I feel like I deserve another shot because of that. Cheers, guys. Oh, cool. So we're just gonna toss this, get it nice and creamy. I hope I did this right. Okay, no, I see it. It's going. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, there we go. That's the ticket. The cheese and the water and the butter are all becoming one. We had a marriage of 3 elements and it made this beautiful, beautiful creamy pasta. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like Cardi B WAP, you know? Wet ass fettuccine, WAF, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Ooh, look at that, you see that? Oh, now that's amore or whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, Italians, you can kill me now, I'm sorry. All right, cool, so now it's just time to plate. This is done, nice and creamy, fresh fettuccine Alfredo. The guy who created this, Alfredo, is probably like turning in his grave right now. Like, oh no, this motherfucker just ruined my dish. Now tell me that doesn't look, come on. Like give me a break. Give me a fucking break, Italians. I love you guys. I work in an Italian place, I'm sorry. Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna plate her up. Oh, what am I doing? The final countdown. To be honest, this isn't working very well. I think I'm gonna just do it with the tongs. I like try to be chefy with this, but I can't. I'm totally fucking up. I guess I deserve a shot.
Yay!
Okay, almost done. Yes, I'm that crazy ass motherfucker who chases his shots with beer. No, I'm not an alcoholic, Mom. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like a cosplay version of like Wolverine, like plop. Like, oh man, I need to work on my plating abilities. So one of the chefing techniques I know of is you take it and you just twirl it. I don't know if I'm making this look better or not. We tried. That's all that matters. We just tried our best. I'm just gonna take this and lay it. Do a little parsley Try to clean it up, make it presentable. There we have it, fettuccine Alfredo from scratch, all from scratch. I can say I'm quite happy with this. Well, we're just gonna clear this out. I don't know where to put this. Here, oh God, I almost dropped the pasta water. That's where it goes. Thankfully, I have a friend coming over. Omid.
Hey! What's up, my buddy?
man?
How are ya?
I know you came over to Vegas. You're coming from Cali, so.
Yes, I am from Fremont, California, so
Nice.
I actually traveled here to spend time with my brother.
Well, I'm glad you got a chance to come by. Stop by the drunk dining set. This is the weirdest produced show of all time. Thank you.
Cheers,
for
my good
coming.
man. Cheers, my good man.
I know that you said you wanted Italian food, and I made you something Italian. So.
Oh, this looks so good.
It's fettuccine Alfredo.
Superb.
He's not Italian, but I'm gonna assume he's a professional. So go for it.
Oh, yes. Oh, man.
Just tell me what you think. Be honest. Rate it 1 out of 5 of whatever these fucking. Why do Italians do that?
Big bite.
The scale is, would an Italian eat this? Oof. Like, I'm jealous.
It is a 5 out of 5, good sir. Like, I am quite positive that this is going places. By the way, get used to all these pasta puns, folks.
He's here all day. Or all this episode, at least. It's not like normal pasta where it's like you get a chew. I'm glad you're enjoying it. You look like you're enjoying it.
What I like about this pasta, I like it smooth. Like, it has that smooth, soggy feel
Yeah.
to it. That smooth, soggy taste to it.
I'm so happy to have you. Like, it was so nice seeing you.
Happy to be here, my friend. Thank you so much. And by the way, for those who are watching right now, please subscribe if you want to see more of this guy's content. Show some love, show some support. Just type hashtag hype41.
Is he making me want to drink?
So just spread the love, spread the support, and spread the hype!
Thank you guys for watching Drunk Dining. We'll see you guys next week. Cheers. Hey guys, my name is Juan, and if you haven't, you should probably subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be posting new videos every week. So, you know what to do. Press that. Press my face. Click my face. Not this face. That face. Thanks.